Hi, this is part 2 of the Teaching Vocabulary training video with practical tips and interactive activities. Please make sure to watch part 1 before this episode, as this will provide you with more information and outline for proper vocabulary teaching techniques. This interactive activity from British Council may serve as an engaging warm-up activity for vocabulary development. Your learner will have just 3 minutes to make as many words as they can. Longer words get more scores. You may also help, but make sure learners take notes of unknown words for them. ENGin is a classic word game, which serves as a cool refresher of vocabulary. Thanks to modern technology, you can make it absolutely interactive. The volunteer draws a series of blanks corresponding to the number of letters in the word. Learners guess letters. If the letter is in the word, then the executioner fills in the blank. If not, then the executioner draws one portion of the gallows. The game ends when players guess the word or when the picture is complete. This site is designed to help memorize English vocabulary in an easy, fun way that really works. All the exercises use pictures, handouts, sounds, and games to make learning a new language as fun and enjoying as a piece of chocolate. There are hundreds of categories there. In a vocabulary scavenger hunt, students hunt for target words or the way those words are represented in books, magazines, articles, on websites, etc. For example, they either look for the word fast or an example of something that goes fast or its synonyms. In order to host a vocabulary scavenger hunt in your session, you first have to decide what you are going to have students searching for. You have two choices, basically. Students can either hunt for specific words or they can hunt for types of words. For example, in an article, they may be asked to hunt for unfamiliar words, words that author uses to describe character, event, or place, words they would like to have in their dictionary, theme words, words with silent letters, words you have learned together, words in certain verb tenses, words they like, and so on. Another variation is to ask your learner to find the objects which correspond to the descriptions you provide in their rooms or around them. For example, you may ask to find something red, soft, or bumpy around them. Of course, you may use more sophisticated vocabulary with advanced learners. This is a great website, which is divided into two main sections: English vocabulary topics or lists and English vocabulary games. There are hundreds of vocabulary lists done in an interactive manner and a lot of online games categorized by topics. You may find almost everything there. Word search. Word searchers are common classroom vocabulary games. These activities work well for online handouts, and in the video description we are sharing a fine website for creating this. You just need to come up with at least 10 new words for your learner, or put already studied words to refresh the memory and share a link with your buddy. Crosswords. Here's an example of a crossword puzzle you can use with your learner. To make them as effective as possible, they should fit in with a certain topic that you learn, and they can be easily created online for free to make them interactive. Please check the video description for a link. Word scrambles. Word scrambles make great games for English class, and adults enjoy these language brain teasers as well. Simply mix up the order of the letters and ask players to unscramble and identify the original words. Categories is one of the most fun and simple word games for adults. The game challenges players to think of words all starting with the same letter. Here is a list of sample categories: a boy's name, a girl's name, capital cities, four-letter words, types of drinks, holidays, careers and professions, cartoon characters, movie characters, names of movies, names of songs, websites, deserts, and so on. it may be right, so you can come up with your own category there. And finally, the easy way to create your own teaching resources or use the existing ones according to topic and categories. Quizzes, matchups, word games, and much more to boost vocabulary and greatly enhance vocabulary learning experiences may be found on the WordWall website. Well, that's all for now. Hope these resources will help you in your sessions. Which ones are you going to try with your learner? Please write in comments and press the like button if you find this video useful. Bye!